And I be out here eating turkey sandwiches. Man, get this the hell up out of here. Just out here riding tough, huh? Oh, you little cheap. Man, get your cheap ass bike up out of here. Oh, we got the kicks, huh? You got the kick. Man, don't raise your foot against me. Hey, get your cheap ass loafers out my face, man. Fight me hand to hand. Or should I say feathers to hand,
Please subscribe.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dave Natch. I speak stocks. Today is Money Making Monday, November 27th. In today's video, I have one play for you. But before I go into the play, let me delve into Friday's recap of the overall markets. The Dow closed up 0.33% at 35,390. The Dow. NASDAQ begging to differ. They closed down 0.11% at 14,250. The NAS. Apple closed down 0.7% at $189.97. Apple. There were no triple-digit closers on Friday. Dave's play today is a SP play, in and out, grab and go, one and the move. Do not overstay your welcome. MOBQ, MOBQ. Stock is up 91% thus far in the pre, trading at 85 cents at the recording of this video. The higher day thus far in the pre is $1.02, 102. If this one retracts below 79 cents, this might be a no-go today. There's no news out, but we just ride in price action. MOBQ has spike ability. For example, on January 5th, stock went from $9.15 to $18.30 on a volume of 197K. In conjunction to that, May 9th, the stock went from 210 to 525, 210 to 525. This one is in the advertising agency space, and they're headquarters out of New York, Long Island in New York. Let's kick the tires.
What's the tires on this?
Brother, you didn't kick them.
Oh, I'd rather I check them out before I'm going to think about purchasing.
They were a market cap of 1.2 million. They have to bring this up to 5 million. That's the minimum threshold. 1.9 million in the float. 2% of the float are held by shorts. 1.24 million in revenues. Their revenue per share 0.73. They have a total cash of 141K. Current ratio is sitting at 0.16, way below par. Do not overstay your welcome on this one. The current ratio of 1 is at par, meaning for every dollar in debt, the company has $1 in cash. The current ratio measures the propensity of a stock going bankrupt in the near term, 6 months to a year. This one is way below par. Be careful with this one. Sparse data on a MOBQ. That's all I have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to follow me on X at @WPT for my stock alerts. In the meantime, in between time, always protect your neck. Always set a stop loss. Do not invest more than you're willing to lose. And whenever you see some profits, take some profits, because now you see them, now you don't. Dave Natch, I'm out. Boom, bam. Make your next trade your best trade. Always take care of the downside and let the upside take care of itself. Trade well.
Do remember, if you wish to open a trading account, check out my Webull link below. You will get some free stocks. Minimum deposit required is just 1 penny. Also, pre-market hours trading starts at 4 a.m. sharp. 4 a.m. sharp with Webull. Webull only, the way to go. Pre-market hours trading is very risky. It's not for the risk averse. I thank you for watching. Dave Natch, I'm out.
People that hate you most, they are the ones that watch you most. Give them drama. Give them movies.
This coming week,
And
okay,
keep
let's get
living
right
your
into
life.
it. ITRM.
Woo!
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode of Sunday's Stock List. Today is Sunday, November 26th, and in today's video I have 2 plays for you to put on stock this coming week. Let's delve right in. The first one is GASS. This one is a MT play, the acronym for medium term hold. GASS closed up 2.39% on Friday, settling at $6.85. The stock made a brand new 52-week high of $6.97. The company made 3 consecutive new 52-week highs. Watch for continuation this week. Into $7.95. Catch a ride on this one. GASS. The company came out with their third quarter earnings on November 21st. Their earnings per share increased 134%. They also had a record net income of $43 million. This one is in the marine shipping space. Their headquarters out of Greece. Let's get the tires.
Get some tires on this.
Brother, you didn't kick them.
Oh, I'd rather I check them out before I'm going to think about purchasing.
They were a market cap of $261 million. This is gas. They have $12 million in the float. 23% of the float are held by insiders. 46% of the float are held by institutions. Their profit margin is a positive 33%. Their operating margin is a positive 34%. Their ROA, return on asset, is a positive 4%. Their ROE, return on equity, a positive 10%. ROE and ROA are monies they're making on their investment. Let's continue. They have $152 million in revenues. Their revenue per share, 4.01 GASS. Their gross profit is $73 million. Their EBITDA, earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, is $68 million. Their net income is $51 million. Their quarterly earnings growth is up 134% year over year. I'll say that again. Their quarterly earnings growth is up 134% year over year. They have a total cash of $73 million. A total debt of $128 million. Their current ratio is sitting at 3.20. Their operating cash flow is a positive $76 million. Let me say that again. Operating cash flow is $76 million. Their leverage free cash flow is a positive $13 million. GASS. Let's jump right into stock number 2. TOPS. TOPS. This one is a spec play. SP play. Okay? Stock closed up 17% on Friday, settling at $10.22. This one is in the marine shipping space as well. Their headquarters out of Greece as well. The volume on Friday was 250K compared to the average volume of 30K. This one has spikeability. For example, on February 13th, the stock went from $15 all the way to $25.80. Let's get the tires. They were a market cap of 17 million market cap. They have a low float of a cool million. Their 200-day moving average is $8.70. They have 50 million in gross profit. Their operating margin is a positive 40%. Revenue is 83 million. Revenue per share, 91.63. Let me repeat that. Their revenue per share is 91.63. This is TOPS. They have a total cash of 10 million and a total debt of a whopping 247 million. They have to work on their debt load here. Current ratio is sitting lousy at 0.22. This one might go bankrupt. A current ratio of 1 is at par, meaning for every dollar in debt, the company has $1 in cash. This one is way below par. Operating cash flow is a positive 32 million. And